Although it is not required for our current dashboard to have certain additional features like conditional formatting in the tables, but in many dashboards, there might be a requirement about certain conditional formatting in different tables. So now let us see how to make conditional formatting in tables. So we will select one of the sheets, one of the worksheets. We will now go to sales representative. We will put the sales representative name in the rows. Then we will try to put category in the column. And here we have a sample table with category and names of each sales representative. But there are no values over here. So let's do one thing. Let's select sales and put it inside text. We can, by the way, directly drag and drop and put in this area. Otherwise, we can just drag and drop the sales field and put it inside text. Next, what we will do, we want some kind of conditional formatting based on the sales value for each of these sales representative. So for that, let's add sales inside colors. So this is a good starting point. Now we can see some kind of a color gradient, and based on the sales value, the darkness of the color changes. But this is not very clear. So let's try to make some changes. So we will go to colors, then select edit colors. Instead of the automatic color palette, we would click here and go to red and green diverging. Once this is done, we will do apply and then OK. Now we have a better conditional formatting where we can easily identify the sales representative with higher sales than the other ones. However, this is still not very clear, especially for a dashboard. So what we will do is we will select the name field from the sales rep table, drag and drop, and put it inside size. Then we will select size and increase the size values if needed. We can also click here, go to measure and make count distinct. Now we will change the size to max. And we can change the font color. So for changing the font color, we can click here, we can go to format. We have the format panel open. So we have an axis formatting where we can change the color to white, maybe increase the font size over here. And we have the pane formatting where we can also change the font size as well as the color. The table area looks a bit small, so what we can do is we can just drag and drop and make it bigger. Now this looks much better. So here we can see that all the fields are formatted based on a certain condition. So this is an example of conditional formatting in Tableau.